everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. To change the language of your Mobile Legends Bang Bang account, first of all, launch open the game on your device. From the main homepage or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and from the settings menu that pops up on the screen, go to the bottom and select the language option and tap on it. Now select a different language. First of all, make sure to choose what kind of language you want to change. You can select text language, voice language, or translate language. To change the display language, select the text and select a different language of your preference. And once you do that, your game should restart with the newly selected language of your preference. And there you see, you have a different language display setting available in the game. You can always get back to the same menu and select a different language of your preference whenever needed. So there you have it. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.